ready to discover the top 3 coins primed to explode by October 2025. This could be a game changer. In this video, I'll break down exactly why these 3 cryptocurrencies are on my radar for massive gains. We're diving deep into the tech, upgrades, and market trends that make them must-watches. I've spent countless hours researching to bring you the most valuable insights. No fluff, just what matters. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Let's get into it. First up, the king of smart contracts, Ethereum. For years, Ethereum has been the backbone of decentralized innovation, powering everything from DeFi to NFTs. But what's coming next is set to redefine what's possible in blockchain technology. You might think you know Ethereum, but the upcoming upgrades are about to change everything. Ethereum's biggest leap? Danksharding. This isn't just a technical tweak, it's a complete transformation of how the network operates, unlocking a new era of scalability and efficiency. With danksharding, Ethereum will be able to process over 100,000 transactions per second. That's a quantum leap from where we are today. Transaction fees, which have been a pain point for years, will drop dramatically, making the network accessible to everyone, from casual users to major enterprises. Imagine Ethereum as a congested highway at rush hour, slow, expensive, and frustrating. Danksharding turns it into a multi-lane superhighway, where traffic flows freely and everyone gets to their destination faster and cheaper. This means developers can build more complex apps, gamers can enjoy bigger, more immersive worlds, and financial systems can finally outpace traditional banks. All on-chain. The possibilities are endless, and the ecosystem is already massive. DeFi, NFTs, gaming, these are just the tip of the iceberg. Ethereum is the home of thousands of projects, each pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the digital world. And it's not just about the apps. Ethereum boasts the largest and most active developer community in crypto. Every day, new talent is joining the movement, building tools and protocols that make the network even stronger. Institutional adoption is surging as well. BlackRock and other financial giants aren't just investing, they're building on Ethereum. This is a clear signal that the world's biggest players see Ethereum as the foundation for the future of finance and technology. Staking is at an all-time high, locking up more ETH than ever before. This reduces the available supply, while demand from both retail and institutions continues to skyrocket. The result? A powerful supply squeeze that could drive prices even higher. The merge made ETH deflationary. Now, during periods of high network activity, more ETH is burned than created. This means the total supply is actually shrinking, making every remaining ETH more valuable over time. By October 2025, most of these upgrades will be live or nearly complete. The market is already starting to price in this future, with investors positioning themselves for what could be a historic run. Ethereum's network effect is unstoppable. Every new user, every new developer, every new project makes the entire ecosystem stronger and more valuable. It's a virtuous cycle that's hard to break. This is the foundation for the next generation of the internet, a decentralized, open, and permissionless world where anyone can participate and innovate. Selling ETF now is like selling Amazon in the early 2000s. Don't miss the tidal wave forming. To recap, insane scaling, explosive ecosystem growth, institutional money pouring in, and deflationary tokenomics all point to one thing: massive potential ahead. Ethereum is coiled like a spring, ready to explode with energy as these upgrades go live. The momentum is building, and the next chapter is about to be written. For me, Ethereum is the cornerstone of any serious crypto portfolio for 2025. It's the asset I'm most confident will lead the next wave of blockchain adoption. We're witnessing the base layer of the future internet being built right before our eyes. The opportunity to get in before it's finished is rare. Don't sleep on Ethereum. Now, let's move to a project that's challenging Ethereum with lightning-fast speeds and a bold vision for the future. Let's dive in. Our second pick is all about speed. Solana. In the fast-paced world of blockchain technology, speed is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. Solana has positioned itself as the go-to platform for those who need transactions to be completed in the blink of an eye. If Ethereum is a V8 engine, Solana is a Formula One car. While Ethereum is powerful and reliable, Solana is built for speed and efficiency, making it the ideal choice for applications that require rapid transaction processing. Solana already handles tens of thousands of transactions per second for a fraction of a penny, practically free. This level of performance is not just impressive, it's revolutionary. Imagine being able to send money across the globe in seconds without worrying about high fees. This enables microtransactions, real-time gaming and social apps that just aren't possible on slower chains. For gamers, this means seamless in-game purchases and real-time rewards. For social media users, it means instant tipping and micro-donations. Yes, Solana had outages, but the Fire Dancer upgrade is set to make it faster and more resilient than ever. This upgrade will not only enhance its speed, but also its reliability, ensuring that the network can handle even more transactions without breaking a sweat. The meme coin frenzy proved Solana can handle massive demand without breaking a sweat. During peak times when other networks might falter, Solana continues to perform, showcasing its robustness and scalability. Major projects like Helium have migrated to Solana, and giants like Visa and Shopify are integrating with it. This level of adoption from industry leaders is a strong vote of confidence in Solana's capabilities and future potential. The user experience is seamless, fast, cheap, and intuitive, perfect for mainstream adoption. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer, Solana's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and use. As Ethereum's upgrades roll out, Solana has a window to capture huge market share. This is a critical time for Solana to prove its worth and attract more users and developers to its platform. The developer community is exploding, building deep in, decentralized social and next-gen games. This vibrant ecosystem of developers is constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the Solana network. Solana's summer narrative and brand recognition are massive. Retail investors are watching. The buzz around Solana is palpable, and its growing community is a testament to its increasing popularity. Combine speed, performance, partnerships, and user experience, and Solana is a high beta play on crypto's growth. It's not just about being fast, it's about being the best in every aspect that matters to users and developers alike. Risks are being solved, and the upside is huge. Solana could challenge for the number 2 spot in crypto. With continuous improvements and growing adoption, Solana is well positioned to climb the ranks in the crypto world. By October 2025, expect Fire Dancer live, a mature ecosystem, and Solana as the high-performance Web3 layer. This timeline sets the stage for Solana to become a cornerstone of the decentralized web. It's a rocket ship on the launch pad. Get in before liftoff. The potential for growth is enormous, and those who get in early could see significant returns. Solana isn't just an Ethereum killer. There's room for more than one winner. The blockchain space is vast, and multiple platforms can coexist, each serving different needs and use cases. Now, let's talk about the project connecting all blockchains to the real world. This next project aims to bridge the gap between different blockchain networks, creating a more interconnected and efficient ecosystem. This is the Indispensable Bridge. It's the key to unlocking the full potential of blockchain technology by enabling seamless communication and transactions between different networks. Let's get into it. Our third pick is the backbone of DeFi and smart contracts, Chainlink. In the rapidly evolving world of blockchain, where new projects come and go, Chainlink has established itself as a foundational pillar. It's not just another crypto token, it's the invisible force that makes decentralized finance possible, quietly connecting the dots behind the scenes. If blockchains are powerful computers, Chainlink is the internet connection, bringing real-world data on-chain. Without this crucial link, blockchains would be isolated, unable to interact with the outside world. Chainlink acts as the bridge, allowing smart contracts to access information like market prices, sports scores, and even weather data, making them truly useful and dynamic. Chainlink solves the Oracle problem, feeding smart contracts with critical data like prices, weather, and more. Oracles are the unsung heroes of blockchain, and Chainlink's decentralized network ensures that this data is accurate, secure, and tamper-proof. This reliability is why so many DeFi protocols and dApps trust Chainlink to power their platforms. It's the industry standard with the most partnerships and the most secure network. Chainlink has won the Oracle wars. From major DeFi projects to enterprise giants, everyone wants to integrate with Chainlink. Its reputation for security and uptime is unmatched, making it the go-to solution for mission-critical data feeds. But it's not stopping there. Chainlink's vision extends far beyond just oracles. The team is constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in decentralized technology. The Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP, is coming, aiming to be the universal standard for sending messages and value between blockchains. This protocol will allow different blockchains to communicate seamlessly, unlocking a new era of interoperability and collaboration across the crypto ecosystem. Imagine moving assets from Ethereum to Solana as easily as sending an email. CCIP makes this possible. No more complicated bridges or risky workarounds. With CCIP, users and developers can transfer value and information across chains with a single, secure protocol. Every cross-chain transaction could use CCIP, driving massive demand for the Link token. As more blockchains and applications adopt CCIP, the utility and necessity of Link will only grow, potentially making it one of the most important assets in the space. The next trillion-dollar narrative? Tokenizing real-world assets. Imagine stocks, real estate, and even art being represented as digital tokens on the blockchain. This shift will require secure, reliable data feeds, and that's where Chainlink comes in. Chainlink will provide the data and infrastructure for this revolution. Its oracles will verify asset prices, ownership, and other critical information, making tokenized assets trustworthy and accessible to anyone, anywhere in the world. Major institutions like SWIFT and DTCC are already partnering with Chainlink to bridge traditional finance and crypto. These partnerships signal that Chainlink isn't just a crypto project, it's becoming a core part of the global financial infrastructure. Chainlink Economics 2.0 introduces link staking, boosting network security and reducing circulating supply. Staking incentivizes honest behavior and rewards those who help secure the network, while also locking up tokens and reducing sell pressure. By October 2025, expect CCIP adoption, RWA tokenization, and link staking to lock up supply. These catalysts could fundamentally reshape the crypto landscape, positioning Chainlink at the center of the next wave of innovation. Chainlink is a pick-and-shovel play on the entire Web3 gold rush. Instead of betting on a single project, you're investing in the infrastructure that supports them all, just like selling shovels during a gold rush. The downside is limited by its dominance. The upside is tied to the growth of the whole crypto economy. As more projects launch and more value flows on-chain, Chainlink's role only becomes more vital. Don't overlook the infrastructure. Chainlink is quietly powering the future. While others chase hype, Chainlink is building the rails that will carry the next generation of finance and technology. If you believe in Ethereum and Solana, you should believe in Chainlink. These networks are only as strong as the data that powers them, and Chainlink is the trusted source for that data. Three monsters: Ethereum, Solana, and Chainlink. Together they form the backbone of the decentralized future, each playing a unique but interconnected role. Now for everyone who stuck around, here's your bonus tip. Stay tuned, because understanding the infrastructure today could mean outsized rewards tomorrow. There you have it, Ethereum, Solana, and Chainlink, three projects with massive potential for 2025. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your number one coin for 2025? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Let's build the best crypto community together. If you got value from this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching to the end. More insane content is coming your way. See you in the next one.